Today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and setting up this 110-pound abrasive blaster I got from Harbor Freight. These are the specs. You got this piece right on top. A funnel. A mesh mask. A box with something in it. Owner's manual. Hose with a ball valve attached. And this is the last thing in the box. A gauge. Hose clamp. Some tips. And thread tape. And a cotter pin. In this box we have 2 washers and 2 cotter pins. And 2 rubber wheels, it seems like. Put it on there, and then put a washer, and put a cotter pin. And then bend it so it can come back off. Just do that to the other side as well. And there's another cotter pin. Pick it up. There's thread tape on everything already, but I'm not sure if it's going to leak or not. This is where you fill your media with your funnel. So you just put your funnel and fill it up, put it on there, and then screw it on. This thread tape is really thin. Now you screw it on. Put your hose clamp on and put that on there and tighten this up. This is where you connect to your air source from your compressor. So you want to put whatever compressor fitting you're using. I use these fittings. So what I'm going to do is put some thread tape on this and then screw it in right here. The tape that this comes with isn't too thin. It doesn't seal at all. It just leaks. It's terrible. So I'm going to be using my own tape. Alright, I got the handles. I had to switch them around on the blaster because I had them backwards. And to fix all the leaks, I just used soapy water to spray down all the connections. It was pretty much leaking everywhere. Here. Pretty much every connection was leaking. And to fix that, I just used 3 wraps of Teflon tape on most of the connections, and then also Teflon paste, because the Teflon tape alone was not working. It's not set up correctly. Attach the air connection to it. And it's full, and there are no leaks now. Now I'm gonna let out the air so I can put some blasting media in there. The media I'm using today is this black diamond abrasive. I got the media in there now. I'm gonna put my cap back on. And let it fill with pressure now. It's filled. The tip is on there. I'm gonna be testing it right here. This is the pressure I had it set to do that little piece. How well it did. It works really well. It took off all the rust. I turned up the pressure. Now let's see how it does. Works way faster at the higher PSI. So I'd recommend running a higher PSI on it. Run at about 110 to 120 PSI and it'll work best. This is the tip that I was using when I was sandblasting, because this tip that came pre-installed on it. But when I actually go to the frame, I'm going to probably put a different tip on and see what tip works best. Besides all the leaks this thing has, it's pretty good for the price. With the sale and the coupon code that I got it at Harbor Freight, pretty much I got it for around $100. I'll be doing this entire frame of this truck, and then I'll be coating it with core seal and then a coat of chassis saver. Doing under the cab as well as under the bed as well.